Hello there. I'm Alec. I've been working on this little project for about a month, maybe a month and a half, and it's basically me teaching myself Unity in pretty terrible ways, to be honest, and learning about VR physics and making a decent physics rig for Unity. Now, currently, I've got final IK for a body, but then full body physics rig using a locosphere-based movement system, which my goal is to get to a level of fidelity where it's comfortable to play in high intensity but also slow-paced games. Now let's talk about what the goals for this project are. Main goal, get everything to working almost to a Boneworks or Half-Life Alyx level where interaction feels good but also works consistently. I also want to figure out more physics related problems with the thing. Like right now, I'll list some of the problems in a bit. Like overall, I want more controlled interaction, and then it'll also learn more about scripting. But here, let's go over some of the problems with the character rig right now. So it has place-space movement tracking, which does work, but it's a little bit too slippery. It moves the locosphere based on the transform of the player, or the HMD, so it moves a little weird. Like that, yeah. And another problem is that hands don't collide with these, but it does collide with rigid bodies. And the reason for that is that the IK hands are just following it, but the controllers themselves do have colliders, but not the hand IK. So you can pick up things. And it does have collision on the hands, but not with the world. You see, it's like that. And then the full body IK, when you crouch down, it's a little weird. But it's pretty. It feels really smooth so far. And then the body is built with the locosphere at the bottom. Whoa, chill out. Locosphere at the bottom, a knee collider that in the future will be moving up and down depending on the player's height. A torso collider, which will be able to pivot in the future as well. And then a neck and head collider. Head collider needs to lock down the body a little bit more, but it's pretty close already. I've got various grabbable objects. Right hand's a little weird, I don't know why. Got a camera. Can't tell already. It's Max Caulfield body. I'll post a little clip somewhere showing it off. But like hands sync up well. You can pick up guns. There's no what is going on with that hand? It's probably the collider pushing the other collider away. But there is guns, no grip points yet, or two-handed grabbing. That's part of my grip script. That doesn't quite work yet. I know why though, and I'm working on that in the moment. But it all works. You pick up another ball. Yay. We've also got, what is wrong with the thing? I have no idea today. We've got pushable objects, tower, and then a little. So the capsule collider is lagging a bit behind, but you can kind of walk into stuff. I don't know what's going on. And then we got just to test going over weird terrain with the locosphere. It's really easy to walk around on top of terrain like this, so which is good for if I wanted to have like a rocky setting or something like that. We got that big ramp. We got some little ramps. And walk up here. You see it works. Max's legs are a little weird. It's because the IK doesn't really fit with the proportions of Max, and I haven't tweaked it very much. What the You can see here where it's weird. You can go up this half pipe. You can see, we're going. No, here's the big problem. It's a physics problem that I haven't quite figured out. I'm close. it's something to do with vector and normals. It's math that I haven't touched in a while. But as you can see, I'm going down the hill, not on my own, but by the gravity of the sphere, which is going against how it should be. You should be able to stand on here and just vibe, but instead you start to slide off because of the sphere. There's no slope fight yet. Let's see, here's one more thing I can show off. It's a physics-based button. You push down on it, if my character won't freak out on me. I don't know why it's doing that. I think it's double colliders or something. Push down on it. It's supposed to play Weezer. I don't know why it's not playing Weezer. This is horrible Devlog. But future goals. Next video, probably have a different character body altogether, one with better proportions. IKs will be fixed. Hopefully this weird hands, there'll be another. We can kind of send it. There'll be another pass on the hands because right now they're interfering with the colliders. They should be on separate layers so that they don't apply. Oh yeah, there's snap turning, but they need to be on separate colliders so that they're separate layers so that they don't interact with each other. There are other scenes being worked on. I got this cool atmospheric kind of zombie scene that I've made in Blender and worked on porting. I'm gonna probably redo it. But you'll see it somewhere on screen. That's turned out pretty well. But yeah, I've enjoyed working on this project, even if it is extremely jank. And I hope that if anybody watches this thing, at least give me useful feedback, not saying besides, oh, your hands look shit. But yeah, that's Project Merv. Bye-bye.